Hello, beautiful spectators. Good morning from my side. Hope you well and healthy by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Right now, I am on the road and walking. I just feel this movement. If you are a rural boy, you can find this environment only in village area, not in urban area. Because it's so difficult to find this environment in urban area. So if you like village, if you're village person, then don't make a video about your village. Now in the morning time, in the winter morning, now you can see everything looks dense fog and very enjoyable movement, and the scenery, the beauty of this area is really amazing and beautiful area. I'm really proud of this area because I'm Bengali, and as a Bengali I'm really proud of this area. I thank Almighty Allah who has sent to me to this earth to be a Bengali person. For this reason, I would like to thank my Almighty Allah. And if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to follow my little page. As I'm a new video creator, so I need your support all time. So I would like to request to all my dear brothers and sisters, don't forget to follow my little page and don't forget to help me. Actually, today my topic: how can we practice English? How can we be able to speak English like them who are native speaker? Actually, there are many ways, but if you want to talk, if you want to make a strong conversation with any individual, then firstly you have to select one topic. With that topic, you can increase your English level. You can carry on your English journey. By this OIM, you can practice English, and one day I hope you can be totally able to speak English. Now you can choose a topic about yourself, about your rural area, about your favorite person, about your favorite book. You can speak English with that topic. I think that that topic will really help you to speak English, to learn English, and within a very short time, you will be totally able to have a full knowledge of English. And actually, I am not good at speaking English. I'm also beginner, and sometimes I look for a partner to speak English, to develop my speaking English. But sorry to say that it's so difficult for me to find a person with whom I can speak English, because everyone said or everyone say that I want to speak English, I want to improve my speaking English, but whenever they just like only textual message, not important. I hope textual message not important to develop my speaking English, so I don't like textual message. I like to speak English with an individual messenger or voice call and video call is the best way to speak English, because if you talk to a person face to face, it will really or deeply improve your speaking English, and you can be able to acquire your mouth skill, because you know that we can speak English, we can talk to a person, we can uh, we can be able to make a strong conversation well textual message, but try to talk to a person with a voice call or video audio call. It is the best way to develop your speaking English. So in this way you can practice English. Actually, I learned English to speak English uh, by making new friends with the foreign friends, and whenever I understood my English level is being increased or was being increased, then I tried to speak English video call and audio call. In this way, I improved my speaking English. Although I am not perfect, I'm not good at speaking English, but I always try to speak English. I always try to make a strong conversation with an individual. That topic, I think that really helped me, will really help me. And if you like to speak English, if you want to improve your speaking English, then you can connect with me and you can accept me as your little brother, as your best friend. No problem. I will accept you cordially to speak English, to learn English, but you have to speak English all time with your audio call, voice call, not textual messages, because I don't like textual messages. Before I said that textual message not enough to learn English. If you want to speak English, if you want to learn English smartly, if you want to make our sentence smart, then we have to know grammar. You know that grammar is important. Without grammar, it's not possible to make a sentence smartly. So, um, at the first time, if you are beginner, then don't need you don't need grammar. You have to speak English. Mistake no problem, but you have to speak English. But whenever think you are English, your English is being increased, then look for a partner and try to understand a deep grammar. Because before I said that, without a strong grammar, if you think without grammar you can speak English smartly, not possible. Before speaking, before choosing a partner, you have to strong your basic grammar. Okay, I hope you understand. If you understand, it is really great. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to help me, don't forget to support me. Thank you so much. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.